I always fastened stones on my belly, just to make my army strong. Today hoisting white flag. With my hands, I stand at distance from the warrior. I favor only peace and freedom. Thinking whether my aloofness will keep me indifferent from destruction of wars. Though I am loyal to peace, yet on the face of the earth, wars are always fought by my sweat and blood. I do not have any propinquity with the weapon carriers. I always distributed roses in the city, and I am the person who offer even the last draft to the breathless soldier. Seeing the people dying in front of me, I die myself time and again.